Symbud Myntri ke Jela badai pejru ia ketenat kampo Weng ubah Preston Tingsong negasngi ula pensyai bagasoka Jela kami don benta bat ka Jingkhot ke Jingkhot Hajir da National Investigation Agency lani NIA ia ke Syngngewthuh National Liberation Council Hnlc. Aba pensyai ke kam jong ketenat berper-per ke sokar ubah Preston ula ong bakane kedai kerukom bajule da ke Weng bishar bat ke sokar kamla ban ong AA namar ke Weng bishar bat ketenat pulit adep ban pihak la ke jong. Ulapan pau Bakla don ka Jingkhot pedeng ke Jela bak soka pedeng aga bedai baro arliang kila kerpat ika seng Hnlc ban penbet ya ke Jingkhot da ka bebanjur ba kim don kam ban khuslai than Halor ke Jingkhot Hajir ke Weng bishar namar ke ni kedai karukom.
It is not the government who issued the notice. This is the normal process of the court. Judiciary and executive is already separated. I think you understand that. But see, we had a formal talk just once. And in fact, from our side, both from the central government and the state government, we have requested them, please speed up. What are the issues you wanted for discussion? We are waiting for that. In fact, my appeal to all of them, once again to Hnlc leaders, be serious, come up, we are waiting for you. Then we discuss. Because as I said to you, they should not be so panicky about the warrant issued by the court. There's someone issued by the court. This is a normal process, as I said to you. That's why we would like to process the sitting.